one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Chiwenga takes another swipe at Zvigananda. The 24th of August 2025, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has once again taken aim at Zvigananda, a colloquial term for individuals who flaunt wealth believed to be acquired through corruption, political patronage, or state tenders. Addressing thousands of young people at an anti-drug and substance abuse campaign held at New Highfield Roman Catholic Church on Sunday, Chiwenga said, "While young people are perishing by abusing drugs and substances, others are told that, 'I will give you a car tomorrow free of charge.'" The remarks were widely interpreted as a thinly veiled rebuke of ZANU-PF benefactors who have been donating cars to party loyalists, with businessman Wicknell Chivio seen as the most prominent among them. Chiwenga has previously used the term Zvigananda to criticize elites who indulge in excess while ordinary 8 citizens struggle. In January 2025, during the burial of Justin Mupamhanga at the National Heroes Acre, he condemned Ubvanzu KUTYA Kwemhumi, reckless indulgence by the powerful, and described Zvigananda as those who grow big tummies through ill-gotten wealth. Although he has never directly mentioned names, his words have often been interpreted as rebukes of figures such as Chivio and businessman Kutakwash Tagwari. The term Zvigananda dates back to the Second Chiwenga, where it reportedly referred to opportunists who enriched themselves while others fought on the front lines. Chiwenga on Sunday went further to liken Zvigananda to the modern slang term mbinga, which also refers to wealthy individuals who flaunt their riches, though often without the moral condemnation attached.